Now, under this reasons review 5 part A, I am going to show you how to solve these similarity problems. So which were given earlier in the reasons exam. So the first question is like this: triangle ABC is similar to triangle RST. So which statement is not true? That means all the statements will be true, only one is not true, that you have to pick it out as the answer. For example, here angle A is angle R. So here A is first letter, R is first letter, which is true, but that is not our answer. So I am erasing. And AB over RS, that is AB over RS, they are corresponding sides, and BC, ST. BC and ST, they are corresponding sides. Of course, the ratios are equal. That is true statement, but we want not true, so this is not our answer. And if you see the fourth one, AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC plus AC, that is the perimeter of the first triangle. RS plus ST plus RT, that is the perimeter of the second triangle. That means the ratio of the perimeters is equal to ratio of the corresponding sides. AB over RS are corresponding sides. This is also true, but we don't want true, we want not true. That's why let us examine the number 3. AB over RS is AB over BC. Sorry, AB over BC must be equal to RS over ST, but he is giving ST over RS. He is not giving true statement. That is what we want the answer. So 3 is the correct answer for first question. If you see the second question, scalene triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Which statement is false, is saying. That means here also all true statements will be there. So if you see AB is to BC, this is AB first and second letter, and second and third. This is here also first and second DE, and second and third is DF. This is correct, we want false, so this is not our answer. In the same way, AC DF, AC first and third, DF first and third, BC second and third, EF should be there. Yeah, it is true, but we want not true, means which we want false. So ACB, A third letter is C, second, first, third, second. Similarly, first, second, third is DFE. Here it is given DFE. That is true, but we don't want true, we want false statement. Let us see ABC. ABC, it should be DEF, but he is giving EDF. So in the middle it should be E. Here it is not E, D. So this is wrong, false statement. We want false statement only. That's why this is the answer. So fourth is the correct answer. So in the same way, you try them. Let us see on the second side of this worksheet. Let me explain you number 7th. Triangle RST is similar to triangle ABC. Here angle A is given, angle C is given, angle R is given, angle C is given. He is asking find angle C. So A is given. For A, it should be R. So R is given. That means R is the first letter here, A is the first letter. That means measure of angle A must be equal to measure of angle R. That means A is x square minus 8x. That is equal to measure of angle R is 5x plus 30. So how to solve this equation? So this is a quadratic equation. So I am subtracting 5x both sides. I am subtracting 30 both sides like this. Then what I get? X square minus 8x minus 5x is minus 13x and minus 30. On the left side I get. And the right side, these two will be cancelled out. I get 0. So the factors of 30 are 10 and 3. So x minus 10 and x minus 3 I get. So x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 3. These are the two values I got. So afterwards, he is asking measure of C. But measure of C is given as 5x plus 30. So I am writing this measure of x as, measure of C as 5x plus 30. But x, if I take 10, I get 5 times 10 as 50. 50 plus 30 is 80. Suppose if I take x as 3, 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 30 is 45. So I get like this. Also measure of C is 5 times 3 plus 30, which gives me 45 degrees. So in the same way, which one is correct in these two? For that, if I take 10, here it becomes, this is 10, 10 times 10 is 180, this is 20, and the corresponding angle is 20. So this one is valid value, and suppose if it is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 8 is 24, 9 minus 24 is negative 15, which is wrong. There cannot be any angle with a negative value. That's why taking x is equal to 3 is wrong. So the correct answer for measure of angle C is 80 degrees. That is perfect answer. Next, if you go, similarly you can do 8th and 9th by applying the similarity rules. Let us see number 11 now. This is very easy if you follow the logic which I am going to show you now. Otherwise you will confuse, because they do not give the corresponding angles in the same position in the figures. If you see the figures, you will do a mistake. So always you follow this order of the letters. That is important. Q, R, S is similar to L, M, N. In the same order you have to follow. For example, I am directly going to the question. I am not seeing all the data. Just I am seeing what is the length of ML, he is saying. So first I write ML. ML is here second letter, first letter. So you have to take second letter, first letter, RQ. What is RQ value? 30. That should go down to this. And then in this MLN triangle there is 7. This 7 is LN. Where is LN? First letter, third letter. In the same way, first letter, third letter is QS, which is 21. So I write here. That's it. So if you cross multiply, 21 ML is equal to 7 times 3, which is 210. And if I divide with 21, I get ML as 10. That's it. In this way, you have to calculate MN value. So please do in the same way, number 12. And let us see the next page, number 13. This you have to follow very carefully, these words. If you follow these words carefully, it's very easy problem actually. Let me read for you quickly. This diagram shows a section of the city of Tacoma, High Road, State Street, Main Street are 3 parallel lines here, and each one is 5 miles apart. Ridge Road is perpendicular to this Ridge Road. This Ridge Road is perpendicular to the 3 parallel streets. The distance between the intersection of Ridge Road and State Street. So intersection of this is State Street and Ridge Road. This is the intersection point, and where the railroad tracks cross State Street is this one. This is the intersection. The distance between them is 12. That means this distance is 12. And what is the distance between the intersection of Ridge Road and Main Street? That means this point. And where the railroad tracks crossing the Main Street, that means this point. So he is asking the distance between these points. This is, you have to take this as x. This distance they are asking. For which you see, if you see this 5 and this is 12, definitely this is by Pythagorean theorem you get it as 13. In the same way, if you take this triangle, this bigger triangle, this distance is enclosed between these 2 parallel lines, same as parallel to these 2 parallel lines. So if it is 13, you will get, if it is 5, here it is 5, therefore you will get